हाय फ्रेंड्स, आई एम युक्ति बेलवाल और आज मैं हूँ न्यू विजन यूनिवर्सिटी की में। न्यू विजन यूनिवर्सिटी इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स के बीच में एक बहुत अच्छा नाम है। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हैं। लेकिन क्या है इस यूनिवर्सिटी की फैसिलिटीज़, क्यों आपको इस यूनिवर्सिटी को चूज़ करना चाहिए, यहाँ के हॉस्टल्स कैसे हैं, टीचर्स कैसे हैं, क्लासरूम में कैसी पढ़ाई होती है, ये सब जानने के लिए हम आज यहाँ पे हैं। हम जाएंगे टीचर्स के पास, प्रोफेसर्स के पास और जानेंगे यहाँ पे क्या क्या फैसिलिटीज़ हैं जो इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स को यहाँ पे अट्रैक्ट कर सकती हैं। स्पेशली हमारा मेन मकसद यहाँ पे ये जानने का है कि एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट्स इतने कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं सिर्फ कंसल्टेंट्स की बातें सुन के या फिर सिर्फ ऑनलाइन जो भी नॉलेज मिलती है उससे बच्चे सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो पाते और कई बार वो इन्फॉर्मेशन गलत भी निकलती है। अगर हम यहाँ पे खुद यहाँ पे आके टीचर से वर्बली पूछें, स्टूडेंट से वर्बली पूछें, आपको यहाँ की वीडियोस दिखाएं तो शायद आपके लिए ये डिसीजन लेना काफ़ी ईजी हो जाएगा। तो चलिए चलते हैं अंदर और जानते हैं कि यहाँ पे क्या क्या अच्छी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं। So right now we are at the classroom of New Vision University, which is right now going on. So thank you so much for first of all letting me get in. So ma'am, which classroom is going on, which subject is going on right now?
Right now you are looking over the first semester students, which is the life science and the subdivision molecular biology. They are preparing at the tutorial sessions for the midterm number 2. So we have the sample questions just to practice for the MCI screening later, as well as some of the students probably should undergo the step questions.
All right.
Yeah.
So this kind of, so you know about Medical Council of India examination?
Exactly, because as they are studying in Georgia, and this means that afterwards this diploma should be recognized, that they should have the some permission to work like the general practitioner doctors in the India.
Yeah, right, you're right. So this is actually the main concern of all the Indian students when they come here abroad.
Exactly. So always
you prepare for them.
Exactly. All our syllabuses are just balanced, just to provide them the internationally recognized basics in every course, in every discipline.
That's very nice. Can I have some words?
Exactly.
Yeah. May I know your name?
Rajeshwari.
Okay. From which city you are in? From India?
From India, Karnataka.
Karnataka. So how are you finding the studies here in New Vision University? Do you think this is helpful? How it's
Yeah,
going
it's
on?
very helpful.
Are you confident about clearing MCI?
Yeah, I'm very confident.
Okay. Which is in second course?
No, first.
First course. So which subjects are you studying in first course?
Body System 1, Life Science 1, and Introduction to Medicine 1, and Research Methodology.
Okay. So do you have any problem in the languages here?
No, I don't have any problem.
I learned that she's very good in English, so I'm sure you can easily understand.
Yeah.
Okay. And what else would you like to tell to the students if they are thinking about coming to?
It's a very good decision to come here and complete their medical courses. It's
you
very
tried
helpful.
In India? You tried in India?
Yeah, I tried in India, but I did not get it.
Okay,
Just I missed them.
And what about you? What's your name?
Rahul.
From where?
I am from Surat.
Surat. Okay. How you got to know about this university and how you finding this university? I have seen this is the new campus here. So how are you finding the university?
My father's friend son is here.
Okay.
He is in fourth semester now.
Okay. So from there you get to know about it.
Yes.
So how the study you're finding, and would you like to say other students who might be thinking of coming here?
Yes. Of course,
Any
it
message
is.
for them?
Yes, it is a good university. There is also no language.
What kind of difficulties can a student feel here after coming here?
No difficulties. There is also nearby hostel,
Yes, I see that.
and there is also a English class for the students who don't have that much
They are taught English here. Okay, great.
English also.
Okay. So as we saw that this is a classrooms and where the students are studying in English, and in Georgia they won't be facing any such problem which might be there in other countries. So if the student is thinking about studying MBBS abroad, then Georgia can be a good destination.
तेरा, मैंने ले लिया मेरा उजला सितारा तेरे नाम किया। चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ बेलिया ओ पिया।